A Hormone Replacement Therapy/HRT Guide. Chapter 1. Hormone Replacement Therapy/HRT. Too much estrogen is bad. There is plenty of research that says estrogen is associated with an increase in endometrial cancer and to a lesser extent, breast cancer. The National Toxicology Program of the U.S. National Institutes of Health, NIH.gov. Your body produces some estrogen, but many women want more, especially at menopause, to keep their feminine features intact. The artificial sources of estrogen are birth control pills, birth control injections, women's hormonal replacement therapy drugs, hormone replacement therapy/HRT. At or around menopause, estrogen production decreases, causing an increase in the production of other hormones which may produce hot flashes in women, memory loss, poor thinking abilities, mood swings, depression, anxiety, Alzheimer's symptoms, low sex drive and other undesirable effects. The modern-day solution is hormone replacement therapy to restore hormone levels to their former natural level, both the conventional drugs your doctor prescribes for you, conventional HRT, and the alternative therapy, which usually includes soy products, alternative HRT. I've seen one doctor claim that instead of antidepressants, women at menopausal age or older should get HRT instead. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is simply the use of estrogen and/or progesterone after menopause to treat the consequences of estrogen loss and menopause, such as osteoporosis, thinning, bone density, skin changes, vaginal thinning, vaginal dryness, depression, hot flashes, etc. It's generally considered a fountain of youth drug, but it has negative side effects like causes headaches, increases blood pressure, increases the risk of cancer, particularly breast cancer, heart disease, blood clotting, strokes, and gallbladder disease. So there's a trade-off, even though most doctors in this field say the benefits outweigh the risks. There are also side effects like nausea, vomiting, etc. It could be either a short or long-term treatment. There are many replacement therapy drugs on the market, many of them derived from yams and soybeans. Premarin, generic name conjugated estrogens prescribed as tablet or vaginal cream, is a major estrogen replacement drug that seems to solve a lot of problems. There's also the Estroderm estrogen patch applied on the skin, as well as lotions and creams, local hormonal treatment. Estrogen mimickers like birth control pills are bad. Most water contains chemicals from everything from pesticides to the estrogen in pills that women take, like birth control pills, urinate out then release into the water supply, called estrogen mimickers. This is ruining women's health. Too much estrogen puts the entire body out of balance. It's not just water in the water supply. The cow that becomes the beef you eat and the milk you drink was probably injected with estrogen mimickers. They're in cosmetics, plastics, cleaning chemicals, farmed fish, and drugs. Estrogen replacement therapy has been linked with breast cancer because it enhances whatever poisons or cancerous cells are in there. Birth control pills increase the risk of cancer, heart disease, and stroke. EWG.org. Hormone replacement therapy critics. There are serious critics out there who say that conventional HRT using synthetic hormones cause illness. They say use natural hormone replacement therapy derived from plants, not drugs, plus live a healthy lifestyle that will help your body produce these hormones naturally. Try number 618.1750 or RG186 at the library. American Association of Retired Persons. AARP.org. Free fact sheet about hormone replacement therapy. Chapter 2. Common HRT drugs. Estrogen, oral. Senestin, generic name synthetic conjugated estrogens. Estrase, generic name 17-beta-estradiol. Estratab, generic name esterified estrogen. Menest, oral, generic name esterified estrogen. Ogen, generic name estropipate. Ortho-EST, generic name estropipate. Premarin, generic name conjugated equine estrogen. Estrogen, transdermal, skin patches. Alora, Climera, Estroderm, Fempatch, Vivel. The generic name for all of these is 17-beta-estradiol. Estrogen, vaginal cream. Estrace vaginal cream 0.01%. Estring vaginal ring. Orthodionestrol cream, generic name synthetic nonsteroidal estrogen. Progestins, oral. Amen, generic name medroxyprogesterone. Agestin, generic name norethindrone. Cycrin, generic name medroxyprogesterone. Provera, generic name medroxyprogesterone. Prometrium, generic name micronized progesterone. Progestins, vaginal cream. Compounded micronized progesterone vaginal suppositories, generic name micronized progesterone. Estrogen/progestin combinations. Com-B patch, transdermal patch, generic name 17-beta-estradiol/norethindrone acetate. Orthoprefest, oral, generic name estradiol/norgestimate. Premphase, oral, generic name conjugated equine estrogen medroxyprogesterone acetate. Prempo, oral, generic name conjugated equine estrogen medroxyprogesterone acetate. The major drugs used for testosterone and estrogen therapy most often used to enhance sex drive are Estratest, oral. Generic name esterified estrogen, methyltestosterone. Estratest HL, oral. Generic name esterified estrogen, methyltestosterone. Depotestosterone, injectable, generic name testosterone cypionate. Depotestadiol, injectable, generic name testosterone cypionate and estradiol cypionate. Delatostril, injectable, generic name testosterone enanthate. In general, to increase estrogen, try conventional estrogen therapy, DHEA, soy foods, antioxidants, boron, black cohosh, chaste tree berry, dandelion root, donkey, ginkgo biloba, and licorice root. To increase progesterone, try conventional progesterone, natural progesterone products in health food stores, antioxidants, fiber, minerals, ginkgo biloba, vitamins, and folic acid. There is no one standard HRT that works for everybody. You have to experiment with the different available drugs to find what works for you. Chapter 3. Some HRT info. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy/BHRT. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is a blend of holistic substances that allegedly come close to the natural female hormones in the body. 1-menopause.com. AboutHormones.org. International Association of Compounding Pharmacists. POB 1365. Sugarland, Texas 77487. 800-927-4227. 281-933-8400. IACPRX.org. Referral to doctors who mix natural herbs together. College Pharmacy. 3505 Austin Bluffs Parkway. Number 101. Colorado Springs, Colorado 80918. 800-888-9358. collegepharmacy.com. Compounded Solutions in Pharmacy, LLC. 179 Main Street, Monroe, Connecticut 06468. 203-268-4964. CompoundedSolutions.com. Pine Pharmacy. 1806 Pine Avenue, Niagara Falls, New York 14301. 800-355-1112. PinePharmacy.com. Stokes Pharmacy. 639 Stokes Road, Medford, New Jersey 08055. 800-754-5222. StokesRx.com. Wellness, Health, and Pharmaceuticals. 2800 South 18th Street, Birmingham, AL 35209-2510. 800-227-2627. WellnessHealth.com. Compounding pharmacy for custom medications free of all major allergens. Also nutritional supplements and products for the environmentally and chemically sensitive. HRT products. Most natural hormones are made out of soybean, Mexican wild yam and pregnant mare's urine. There are synthetic chemically made hormones on the market. Ask your local pharmacist or doctor about these drugs, many of which are by prescription. Herbs that help produce estrogen are basil, blue cohosh, black currant, licorice, raspberry leaf, and sage. Herbs that produce progesterone in the body are chaste tree/vitex, sarsaparilla, tansy, and wild yam root. Some of the major HRT drugs are Berlex, Climera, Bristol-Myers Squibb, Megace, Carnic, Amen, Ciagygi, Estroderm, Vivel, Mead Johnson, Estrace, Estrace Cream, Ortho EST, Park Davis, Fempatch, Schering Plow, Prometrium, SmithKline Beecham, Menast, Solvay, Estratab, Estratest, Upjohn, Ogen, Estradiol, Provera, Wyeth Ayerst, Premarin, Agestin, Cycrin, Prempro, Premphase. International Academy of Compounding Pharmacists. POG 1365. Sugarland, Texas 77487. 800-927-4227. IACPRX.org. Referral to local pharmacist who prepares natural hormones mixes. Salivatist.com. Sanisidropharmacy.com. Natural HRT/alternative HRT. Black cohosh is considered the big HRT herb. You can buy black cohosh pills in most health food stores. International Association of Compounding Pharmacists. IACPRX.org. Referral to doctors who mix natural herbs together. herbselfcare.com/replacement-hormone-therapy.htm. HRTnaturalAlternatives.com. menopause-natural.com. Compounding pharmacy products for sale. women'sinternational.com, 800-279-5708. fda.gov/cder/pharmcomp/survey.htm, survey of compounded drug products. International Association of Compounding Pharmacists. POG 1365. Sugarland, Texas 77487. 800-927-4227. 281-933-8400. IACPRX.org. Referral to doctors who mix natural herbs together. GSDL.com. 800-522-4762. Great Smokies Diagnostic Lab. HRTdoctor.com. 800-631-7900. Madison Pharmacy. 800-558-7046. 800-222-4767, PMS Info. Fax, 888-898 = 7412. WA at womenshealth.com. womenshealth.com. Women's International Pharmacy. Sun City W, AZ. 800-279-5708. Fax, 800-279-8011. Info at wipws.com. wipws.com. Wellness, Health, and Pharmaceuticals. 2800 South 18th Street. Birmingham, AL 35209-2510. 800-227-2627. Wellnesshealth.com. Women's Hormone Precursors. Women can buy supplements called hormone precursors that will supposedly help their bodies release more of the female hormones estrogen and progesterone when they start to go down at menopause. 1-menopause.com, Menopause Gone in 24 HRS. Chapter 4. HRT Resources. HRT Websites. Try number 615.360 or RC 483.5 at the library for books about hormones and their effects on all aspects of bodily functioning. Try number 6 15.366 or RM 296.5 for books about testosterone therapy for women to increase sex drive. For books about hormone replacement therapy, try number 6 18.175 or RG 186 at the library. Try the term psychoneuroendocrinology in a search engine. acam.org, 800-532-3688, American College for Advancement in Medicine. Baxamed.com, Baxamed Medical Center, Youth Restoration Therapies, including hormone replacement therapy, Switzerland. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/hormone_replacement_therapy. Hormone.org, 800-HORMONE. HormoneProfile.com. HORMONE-REPLACEMENT-THERAPY.com. HORMONE-REPLACEMENT-THERAPY.net. HRT Resources. Aaron Life Cycles Lab. 1933 Davis St. Number 310. San Leandro, California 94577. 800-631-7900. Aaron.com. Tests for hormonal levels in the body. American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. 2415 North Greenview, Chicago, 260614. 773-528-4333. WorldHealth.net. American Association of Retired Persons. 601 E St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20049. 800-424-3410. AARP.org. Free fact sheet about hormone replacement therapy. Endocrine Society. 4350 East-West Highway. Number 500. Bethesda, Maryland 20814-4410. 301-941-0200. Fax, 301-941-0259. Endostaff@endosociety.org. ENDO-SOCIETY.org. Great Smokies Labs. Asheville, North Carolina 28801-1074. 800-522-4762. GSDL.com. Tests for hormonal levels in the body. Restore natural hormone replacement. Intervention Program. 482 Gammon Place, Madison, Wisconsin 53715. 800-558-7046. Women'sHealth.com.